The Central Public Procurement Portal enables bidders to submit their bid online. The portal usually works only in Firefox ESR version 52 or Firefox version 42 to 49. Edge browsers will have to run in IE mode. You will also need to install Java on your system. xorkeesign India G2C browser extension removes all these restrictions and simplifies your bid signing. The extension supports signing from any browser. Bidders in 78 portals can benefit from this extension. You can add the extension directly from the Chrome Web Store or Odyssey's download page. After adding the extension, register your DSC in xorkee service by creating a xorkee handle for it. If you already have a xorkee handle, you can use your existing handle. Enter your user ID and password. Click Login. Your DSC token should be connected to the PC where the app is installed. You will now receive a signing request in your xorkee app. Click Sign and enter the token password. You can choose to save your token password with xorkee for that specific session, so you won't have to enter it each time. Now continue with the default steps until you reach the bid submission page. Upload the required document and click on the Sign and Upload button. Next, you will receive the signing request for your bid submission in your xorkee app. You will be prompted to sign every file you have uploaded. Click Sign. You have now successfully submitted your bid in the simplest way using xorkeesign India browser extension. The same xorkeesign India G2C browser extension can be used to sign using your DSC in many Government of India portals.